Children, now see the workbook part. So that is page number 54, right? So here, first of all, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First we have the first question, name some flowers. Okay, name some flowers. So this is that is answer the following questions. These are answer the following questions. So here answer the following questions. So this is A. Answer the following questions. First question, name some flowers. Children, you know so many flowers are present. Here morning glory, sunflower and lotus are flowers, to name a few. So apart from this you can write rose, you can write the marigold, any example you can take, children. Morning glory, sunflower and lotus are flowers, to name a few. Second question, explain briefly about flowers. Explain briefly about flowers. Most of the plants have flowers. Most of the plants have flowers. Flowers are beautiful and look very colorful. So you know that flowers add beauty to the nature. They look colorful and beautiful. They are pretty. They also spread fragrance. Fragrance is a smell, good smell. Flowers have soft petals too. So the petals are very, very important. The petals are soft. Flowers gradually turn into fruits. Where do we get the fruits? From the flowers only. So explain briefly about flowers. Most of the plants have flowers. Flowers are beautiful and look very colorful. They also spread fragrance. Flowers have soft petals too. Flowers gradually turn into fruits. Third question, name two fruits which have seeds. Name two fruits which have seeds. Papaya and apple. Papaya and apple. So many fruits are there. You can write any example, children. Okay, papaya and apple are two fruits which have seeds in them. Okay. See the fourth question, children. A seed has four good friends which help to grow. Yes. What are those? Explain. The four good friends that help a seed to grow are. So what are the four good friends? How they help? Rain. You know that rain is very important. It gives large amount of water to the plant. So rain supplies water. Air is also useful for not only for the plants but animals and human beings to breathe. Air helps the seed to breathe. Sun. What the sun will give, children? It gives lighting and warmth. So sun provides warmth to the seed. Even the warmness is also very important for the seed to grow into a plant. Soil. You know that many nutrients are present in the soil. Stores the food for the plant. So the four good friends that help a seed to grow are: rain supplies water, air helps the seed to breathe, next sun provides warmth to the seed, and soil stores the food for the plant in the future. Now fifth question, what do we find inside the fruit? Children, what do we find? Generally we find the pulp, okay, and seeds. So here most of the fruits have seeds inside them, like pomegranate, orange, apple, etc. Okay. So now see the B. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. So here the clue kit is given down: sunlight, food, baby plant, seeds and fruits. Now using these clues you have to fill up the blanks. First one, flowers grow into fruits. What is that, children? Fruit. Fruits have, second one, fruits have dash inside them. What are present, children? Yes, seeds are present. Third one, each seed has a dash inside it. Children, you know that from the seed the plant will come. So that is called a baby plant. From the baby plant the plant will grow. Okay. So each seed has a baby plant inside it. Fourth one, a baby plant gets dash from the seed. Food from the seed. Last one, a baby plant needs food, air, water and dash to grow. Sunlight. This food, air, water and sunlight are the four friends that are required for the baby plant to grow. Okay. See children, now see, write T for true and F for false for the following statements. 5 statements are here children. If the statement appears true for you, you can write T. If the statement appears false for you, you can write F. First one, papaya have many seeds in them. True or false children? Did you eat papaya? Yes, inside if you cut and open the papaya, you find so many seeds. So that is true. So I am writing T here. Second one, flowers grow into plants. Flowers grow into plants. Is that right children? No. Seeds grow into plants is the right one. So flowers grow into plants is the wrong one. So it's a false one. You can write F. Third one, baby plant grow into seeds. Baby plant grow into seeds. Is that right children? No. Seeds grow into a baby plant. That is the right one. So it is also false. So I am writing F here. Fourth one, fruits have seeds inside them. Is that true children? Yes. So I am writing T here. And last one, green vegetables are good for health. Yes or no? Yes, true. So I am writing T here. Okay. Children, here is some data. Classify them into fruits, vegetables, flowers, food grains, etc. So now the data is here. What is the data? Lotus, papaya. So these food items are the data. Now you have to classify the data into 4 groups. One is food grains, second one is vegetables, third one fruits, fourth one flowers. So food grains. What are the food grains? Corn is the food grain, rice is the food grain, maize is the food grain and wheat is the food grain. Yes or no? Right. Next let's go for the vegetables. Brinjal, potato, carrot, beans. So these are routinely we use for curries. Yes or no children? Next fruits. You know fruits very well. Grapes, orange, papaya. Next one is apple, mango, banana and flowers is lotus. Okay. Children, now see, show some gram seeds in a pot containing wet soil. So here, sow some gram seeds. Show some gram seeds. So 1 second. So, see children, sow some gram seeds in a pot containing wet soil. Children, you know that flower pots like that, take one pot and inside that sow some gram seeds in a wet soil. Keep the pot near a window. You have to keep the pot near a window. Water the pot every day. As you have sown the gram seeds, that gram seeds require what children? Water. So you have to water the pot every day. See what happens, write your observation. So this is an experiment. Okay? Right. See the answer. I means you children. I started observing it when the seed got air, water and sunlight. So the gram seeds are there when the seed got air, water and sunlight. Why you are keeping near the window? For the sunlight and air. Anyway we are watering. So the 3 we are providing. Inside it started growing. Okay, and I noticed it breaking the skin of the seed. So when we provide the sunlight, water, okay, and air, the seed start breaking the skin and the baby plant comes out. Okay. Children, now see, draw a picture showing how a seed grows into a plant. So first one, this is a seed. Now here root starts to grow and this is the stem go upwards and this is young plant, this is adult plant. Okay, so here shoot grows upwards. This is shoot. Shoot is also called stem, children, right? Tiny root starts to sprout. See, the root is starts to grow here, and this is young plant, and after becoming adult plant, the seeds fall into the soil. Again the plant will come. So this is how the seed is becoming into a plant. So this comes under the communication. Okay, children, now it's time to do the project work. Take page number 56. Make a Mr. Potato Head. Make a Mr. Potato Head. It's a very interesting project, children. You can do with very fun also. Interestingly shaped potatoes, like you can shape the potato like anything, like a head, or even regular shaped potatoes. Recycled items from the kitchen to make hats. Recycled items. Recycled items means you can take for example a yogurt container. Yogurt is there, no? That container that can be used as a hat. A plastic lid plus the top of a lid liquid dish soap bottle. You can use as a hat. Liquid soap bottle top will be there, no? That you can use. Anything else you can come with. Felt or fabric scraps also. Hot glue or high stick craft glue to stick that. So glue is required. Recycled items to make the hat. Okay, now we are making the head of the potato. Take the help of a grown up and do this activity at your home. So take the help from your adult. So in this you are taking the potato and recycled items like a liquid dish soap bottle top or yogurt container as a hat and a glue for sticking that. So this is an interesting project you can do. Life skills. Naturally grown food is more healthier than the ones grown by using artificial manures. So these are very important, children. Naturally grown food is very healthy than the food which grown by artificial manures. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson number 9. Okay, plants grow from seeds. Thank you, children.